Hello everyone and welcome to Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today's videos is about inside out unveiling the pros and cons of Orane International Institute. But first let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you are looking for career in beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build you one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. If you are planning to do a makeup course, then this video can be useful for you. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about Orane International Institute, its courses, branches, placement structure and its pros and cons. So first, let us know about Orane International Academy. This academy was started in the year 2009 from the state of Punjab. Orane International Academy has more than 90 branches across the country. Here, trainers provide proper sessions of both theory and practical to the students. All the trainers in this academy are highly professional trainers who give detailed knowledge of the course to the students. This academy is one of the best makeup academies in Delhi. Now let me tell you about the courses that they offer. From here, you can do various courses and also in online and offline form. In online courses, they offer makeup, beauty, body, hair, nails, spa, mehendi. And in offline courses, they offer first, aesthetic course, second, beauty course, third, body course, fourth, combo course, fifth, complementary therapies, sixth, hair course, 7, makeup course, 8th, mehendi course, 9th, nail course, 10th, nutrition course, 11th, salon management, 12th, spa course, 13th, international courses and 14th, online courses. The fees for the cosmetology, beauty, skin course is approximately Rs 4,50,000. The fee for the nail art course is approximately Rs 4,50,000. The fee for their hair course is approximately Rs 1,60,000 and the makeup course will cost approximately Rs 1,60,000. Now let's talk about duration of the courses. The aesthetic course takes between 2 weeks to 20 days. The beauty course takes from 5 days to 4 months. The body course takes 1 month. The combo courses takes 15 months to 2 years. The course of complementary therapy takes from 4 days to 8 days. If you do a hair course, it takes 3 days to 5 months. It takes from 1 day to 1 month to do a makeup course. The henna course takes 3 days. If you do a nail course, it takes 6 days to 3 months. The nutrition course takes 15 days to 14 months. If you do a salon management course, it takes 1 week. If you do a spa course, it lasts from 2 weeks to 1 month. Now let me tell you about the branches of Orane International Institute. Orane International Academy was started in Punjab in 2009. Today, they have more than 90 branches across India. Orane's head office is in Chandigarh. Here we will tell you the address of the Delhi branch. Now if you're wondering about the placement structure of Orane International Institute, placements/jobs are provided only in a few branches of this academy. In the rest, students have to search on their own. Now we have come to the most important part of this video, that is pros and cons of Orane International Academy. First, we have pros of Orane International Academy. First, in Orane International Academy, 30 to 40 students are trained in a batch. Therefore, students here do not have to wait for admission. Second, Orane International Academy has many branches in India. You can do the courses from any branch near your city. cons of Orane International Academy. First, in every branch of Orane International Academy, 30 to 40 children are trained together. Due to so many students in the same batch, it is not possible to focus properly on individual students. Second, due to Orane International Academy having many branches, the training quality in some branches is quite good, while the training quality in some branches is not. Third, Orane International Academy has many branches in India. Because of this, their placement in some branches are good and placement in some are not. Here we talked about Orane International Academy. Orane International Academy comes among the top makeup academies in Delhi. Let us now talk about the top 4 makeup academies of Delhi NCR. First, we have Meri Bindi International Academy. Meri Bindi International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindi International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving a job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindi International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Meri Bindi International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has 2 branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindi International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Meri Bindi International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. This academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindi International Academy. Now on second number we have Pearl Academy. This academy comes at the top second position of Delhi NCR. You can do a makeup course from here. If you do a makeup course from here, it will take you 3 to 4 months, which will cost you rupees 3 to 8 lakh. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. Third, we have Lakme Academy. This academy comes in the top 3rd position. Lakme Academy is operated by Uptech. From here, you can do a cosmetology course. It takes 1 year to complete the course. The fee for this course is rupees 5,50,000. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. Fourth, we have LTA Academy. This academy is one of the top 4 academies. You can do a beautician and cosmetology courses from here. This course is of 1 year. The course fee is rupees 6 lakh. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch and does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit your preferred academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you like our video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.